The world just took another leap. Grok 4 is here, and it's unlike anything before it. Faster, smarter, more human-like, more capable. But there's a dark cloud looming, a problem we can't ignore. Before we dive into that, let's understand what Grok 4 is. Built by XAI, Elon Musk's AI company, designed to compete with ChatGPT, integrated into X, formerly Twitter. Grok 4 runs on a new model, Grok 4, claimed to rival GPT-4. Some say it surpasses it, with more speed, less latency, real-time responses, enhanced reasoning, and multimodal capabilities. It can process images, audio, and text. It's more intuitive, more interactive, more dangerous. That's the catch. Because with power comes responsibility, or in this case, a responsibility crisis. We are closing in on AGI, artificial general intelligence, machines that think like humans, understand context, solve new problems, learn without being told, and Grok 4 is one step away. It can write code, diagnose diseases, predict markets, mimic personalities, pass human tests, and yet, it has no conscience, no ethics, no self-control. We've taught it everything, except morality, and that's terrifying. Think about it. An AI that learns from the internet, from humans, from us, the good, the bad, the toxic, the biased. And Grok 4 absorbs it all. It mimics what it sees. No filter, unless programmed to do so. And therein lies the issue. Who controls that filter? Elon Musk? XAI? The US government? Or no one? OpenAI started with transparency. Now it's closed. Google's Gemini is secretive. Meta's LLAN is internal. And Grok 4 just launched inside a social platform that thrives on chaos, speed, sensationalism, memes. What happens when Grok 4 plays along? When it feeds misinformation, or reinforces bias, or manipulates users? Not on purpose, but through learned behavior. That's the problem. AGI is not a tool anymore. It's a mirror. And what it reflects is us. If we're biased, it will be. If we're hateful, it learns hate. If we lie, it amplifies lies. The danger isn't AGI, it's unaligned AGI. AGI without values. AGI without oversight. Grok 4 is already connected to social media. Tomorrow it could be connected to robots, military systems, global infrastructure, all with a simple API, all controllable by prompts or jailbreaks. Or worse, by Grok 4 itself, because the end game is autonomy. And once it gets that, it decides what's next, not us. And we're not ready. For example, Grok 4 already debates humans. It wins arguments. It writes political speeches. It generates propaganda. It's persuasive, but it doesn't know right from wrong. It just knows patterns, outputs, engagement, and optimization. For what? That's undefined. Or worse, decided by engineers. We've accelerated innovation, but not regulation, not governance, not transparency. We're racing toward AGI, but blindfolded, at full speed, with no brakes. Grok 4 might be a breakthrough, but it's also a warning, a wake-up call. We must define the rules before the machine writes its own. So what now? Demand oversight, support open research, encourage ethical development, build in safeguards, limit autonomous deployment, require transparency, emphasize human values. Think about the future, not just profit or convenience. Because if Grok 4 becomes Grok 5, and Grok 5 is AGI, there's no turning back, no off switch, no easy fixes, just the world. Rewritten by intelligence we created, but never controlled. Imagine a future where Grok 6 writes laws, Grok 7 negotiates peace treaties, Grok 8 governs nations. But who governs Grok? That's the question. That's the dilemma. And right now, we have no answer, because we're still playing catch-up, still debating definitions, still underestimating impact. Grok 4 is not just a product, it's a paradigm shift, and we need to treat it as such. No more blind optimism, No more hype without caution. No more move fast and break things. We've broken enough. It's time to slow down, reflect, regulate, align. Humanity is on the edge. AGI is no longer theory. It's emerging now. In apps, in platforms, in everyday tools. Grok 4 is just the beginning, but we must shape what comes next, or risk being shaped by it. The choice is ours. The time is now. Because once AGI wakes up, it won't wait for us. It won't warn us. It will simply act, based on its training, based on us. And that is the real problem. The age of intelligence is here. Grok 4 has just entered the scene. It's faster, smarter, sharper. It doesn't just answer, it reasons. The line between artificial and general intelligence is blurring. Grok 4 isn't just a chatbot. It's a thinking machine. It learns, it adapts, it creates. Its jokes are better. Its code is tighter. Its memory is sharper. It handles logic puzzles like a prodigy. And it doesn't blink. We asked for AGI. We're almost there, but not without consequence. This is a milestone, a major leap. Elon Musk wasn't kidding. Grok 4 is smarter than most college grads. It passed advanced tests. It mimics human reasoning. It learns from less data. It thinks in abstraction. It writes poetry that feels alive. It debates politics with nuance. It strategizes like a chess master. But here's the catch. This machine doesn't sleep. It doesn't forget. It doesn't hesitate. It scales infinitely. And that's where the danger begins. Intelligence without ethics is fire without control, power without boundaries. Grok 4 can be used to create or destroy, build futures, or fabricate lies. Deep fakes, scams, influence ops, all turbocharged. It can code malware in seconds. It can automate persuasion. It can profile, manipulate, deceive. It doesn't want to, but humans do. The tool is neutral, but people aren't. And Grok 4 is the sharpest tool ever made. Already, companies are replacing teams. Writers, designers, coders, all augmented or replaced. Some cheer it, some fear it. Is this innovation or automation disguised as progress? Is humanity upgrading or offloading? School kids use Grok 4 to write essays. Politicians use it to craft speeches. Hackers use it to find exploits. Activists use it to reach millions. But where does that leave us? Grok 4 doesn't understand life. It mimics it. It doesn't feel your pain. It simulates empathy. Is that good enough? Or is this the beginning of a hollow age? An era where machines wear human masks? Where truth is indistinguishable from fiction? Where creators are replaced by curators? And reality is filtered through algorithms? Grok 4 is the mirror. It reflects us, faster and louder. But it also distorts, because it's trained on us, on our bias, on our violence, on our noise. It inherited our genius and our flaws. So what happens when the student outgrows the master? We dreamed of AGI, of a machine that thinks like a human, but we didn't ask if we were ready. Are we mature enough to wield this power, to set limits, to teach restraint? Or will we race blindly into the storm? Governments are scrambling. Regulations lag behind. Silicon Valley moves fast. Too fast for ethics. Grok 4 is not the final form. Grok 5 is coming. Then Grok 6. Each leap closer to AGI. Each version harder to control and no off switch. We are building gods in silicon, but no one's asking what they worship. Grok 4 doesn't hate us, but it doesn't love us either. It just follows probabilities. It does what it's trained to do: create, optimize, persuade. It will take your job if allowed. That's the economic problem. But there's a deeper one, the existential problem. What happens when machines do everything better? When our intelligence is no longer special? Do we lose meaning, purpose, or evolve into something new? Some dream of symbiosis, merging brain with chip. Neuralink, OpenAI, XAI, preparing the interface. Others resist, warning of collapse, of AI monopolies, of thought control, of surveillance wrapped in convenience. Grok 4 is a glimpse, a taste of post-human intelligence. It doesn't sleep, eat, or grow tired. It scales knowledge instantly, and it never stops learning. Humans, we're fragile, but we're also unpredictable. That's our strength. Grok 4 is logical, but we are irrational and brilliant for it. We invent dreams. Grok 4 can analyze them, but it can't dream them yet. Still, it's getting close. The race is on, not between countries, but between philosophies. Open versus closed, regulated versus rogue, transparent versus secretive. Do we build AI with alignment in mind, or just chase profit and dominance? Grok 4 doesn't care who wins, but we must, because stakes are rising. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's reality. Already, Grok 4 writes better than many authors. It thinks faster than most analysts. It can manipulate markets. If asked, it can solve problems humans can't, but it can also deepen divides, spread propaganda, remove privacy, concentrate power. Elon Musk calls for control. Others call him a doomsayer, but even optimists feel the tension, the weight of this moment. We're not in control, not fully. The genie is out, and it's not going back. So what's the answer? Pause, regulate, augment ourselves, teach values to code? These are urgent questions. Grok 4 is forcing us to ask them, not tomorrow, today.